Hello everyone. Today in this part 9 of continuity and differentiability, I'll explain you logarithmic differentiation. So where we have to apply this logarithmic differentiation, there should be three conditions. If any condition you are finding, then to make it easy differentiation, we can apply logarithmic differentiation. So what are the conditions? If we have the product of functions in complicated form, if we have the quotient of functions in complicated form, or if we have a power of the function is also a function. So for this, three rules are very important. You know about this thing. Log mn is equals to log m plus log n, because this rules we will use continuously frequently. This is base e, understood meaning log m upon n is equals to log m minus log n, and this again log m raised to power n is equals to n log m. Then one rule is this thing: if we have the log e and base e, then the result is 1. So this rule also we will use to solve the questions. That means we have to find out the log of any term and base is same, then the value of this one is 1. So let's start with the questions. We have to find out the differentiation of x raised to power x. So first question, A part. Now look at this thing: x raised to power x, variable raised to power variable. So first of all you will say let y is equals to x raised to power x, taking log of both sides, taking log of both sides. When you will take log both sides, what this become? Log y is equals to kitna? Log x raised to power x, log m raised to power n, n log n. It means x log x. Now differentiation with respect to x. Once you will do the differentiation with respect to x, what will come? 1 upon y dy by dx, x as it is. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 upon x plus log x as it is. What is the differentiation of x? 1. It means dy by dx is equals to y. Y will go that side. It means x raised to power x 1 plus log x. So this is the way to do the differentiation if we have the variable raised to power variable. So these rules are also important to find out the derivative, whatever log rules I had explained. Now look at this thing. Second B part, we have y. Let us suppose y is equals to sine x and whole raised to power log x. So again taking log of both sides, one you will taking log of both sides, then what will come? Look at this thing. Log y is equals to, I am applying directly rule here, log x and log sine x. Now differentiation with respect to x. Once you will do the differentiation with respect to x, what will come? Look at this thing: 1 upon y dy by dx, log x as it is. What is the differentiation of log sine x? Cos sine x, this is t, and what is the differentiation of sine x? Cos x plus log sine x as it is. And what is the differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is x. It means dy by dx is equals to y. Y will go that side. It means sine x raised to power log x, and this is log x cot x and plus log sine x upon x, and this is the answer for this part. So in this way we have to solve the questions. So let's start with the C part. Now look at this thing. In C part we have this function. Let us suppose this is equals to y, and for this part let us suppose this is u, this is v, where u is equals to, we have u is equals to sine x raised to power 10x, and then v is equals to, we have cos x raised to power sec x. So in this way we are considering this thing. It means dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. So this is the equation number 1. Now one by one we will take. U is equals to sine x raised to power 10x. First of all, taking log of both sides, it means log u is equals to 10x, and what this become? Log sine x. Now we will do the differentiation with respect to x. 1 upon u du by dx, 10x as it is. What is the differentiation of log sine x? It means sine x, and what is the differentiation of sine x? Cos x plus log sine x as it is. It means what is the differentiation of 10x? Sec square x. It means du by dx is equals to substitute the value of this u sin x whole raised to power 10x, and this become 10x into cot x. Cot x means 1 upon 10x, and then plus log sin x into sec square x. It means this become du by dx is equals to sin x raised to power 10x, and this is 1 plus sec square x, and this is log sin x. This is the first part. It means you can consider this is the equation number 2. Now we have v is equals to cos x raised to power sec x. Again taking log both sides, log v is equals to sec x and log cos x. Now differentiation with respect to x, it means dv over dx is equals to sec x as it is. What is the differentiation of this thing? Cos x, and this is minus sin x plus log cos x as it is. What is the differentiation of sec x? Differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Now it means dv by dx, this is 1 upon v also, dv by dx, substitute the value of v, cos x and sec x. I am writing this term first. It means sec x tan x and log cos x, and this become minus, this become sec x into tan x. So this is the third part, equation number third. Now you can write from equation 1, 2 and 3, you will get the answer. From equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, only you have to put the values here, you will get the answer. So this is the way to do this lengthy question. So dy by dx is equals to, what this become? Sin x whole raised to power 10x and 1 plus sec square x log sin x, and then this is plus, what this become? Cos x raised to power sec x, and this is sec x tan x log cos x, and this is minus sec x tan x, and this is the answer of this question. So let's start with the other part. This is question number 2. In question number 2 we have x raised to power y is equals to e raised to power x minus y. Taking log both sides, it means this become y log x is equals to x minus y log e, and the base is also e, which is equals to 1. It means y log x is equals to x minus y. It implies that y log x plus y is equals to x. Y common, it means what this become? 1 plus log x, and this is x. It means y is equals to x upon 1 plus log x. Now differentiation both sides with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to, now quotient rule, 1 plus log x whole square, 1 plus log x as it is, and then differentiation of x is 1 minus x as it is. What is the differentiation of 1? 0. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 upon x. It means dy by dx is equals to log x upon 1 plus log x whole square, and this is the proof. So this is the way. Because of this part, this question is very important. So keep it this idea in your mind. If we have the same base, then the value of this one is 1. Now let's start with question number 3rd. Now in this question number 3rd, we have given this thing and find dy by dx. Now first of all, taking log both sides. When you will do the taking log both sides, then what will come? It will come y log cos x, and this is x log sin y. This will be the this part. Now differentiation with respect to x, it means y. What is the differentiation of this? Cos x, and this is minus sin x, and plus log cos x. What is the differentiation of y? dy by dx. Now differentiation of this x log sin y means sin y, and this is cos y, and because of y, dy by dx. Now this is plus log sin y as it is. What is the differentiation of x? 1 only. Now collect the terms of dy by dx. It means log cos x, and this is minus x cot y. This is dy by dx. Shift this term here, log sin y, and this is minus is already here. It means this become plus y tan x. It means the answer of this one is dy by dx is equals to log sin y plus y tan x upon log cos x minus x cot y. So this is the answer. In this way you have to do the practice for other questions also. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel. Thanks and God bless you.